How are steel billets at over 1,000 degrees refined into the premium wire rods that underpin global infrastructure? The answer is SMG. As your premier one-stop solution provider for steel projects, we not only deliver the most efficient and intelligent high-speed wire rod mills, but also possess the comprehensive expertise to customize turnkey solutions across a full spectrum of steel categories including flat products, profiles, and tubular products. Now, take the next 3 minutes to immerse yourself in this visual feast of industrial manufacturing. Amidst the raw, thunderous roar of heavy industry, the ultimate high-speed rolling sequence is instantly ignited. Like a roaring dragon of fire, the incandescent steel billet surges directly into the high-rigidity horizontal-vertical HV alternating rolling mills. Under the immense continuous pressure of the roughing and intermediate mill trains, the squared steel instantly sheds its rough edges. The scientifically engineered HV alternating layout completely eliminates torsional stress, accelerating the steel's high-speed metamorphosis into a slender, highly ductile profile. As the speeding incandescent strand flashes through the rotary flying shear, razor-sharp blades strike with millisecond-level precision, cleanly and decisively cropping the irregular head and tail defects, ensuring flawless material quality. In the next instant, the steel strand like an agile dragon threads at extreme speeds through the finishing mill block. The rolling line speed is now pushing the absolute limits of physics. With thunderous momentum, the strand surges into the top-crossed ultra-high-speed finishing mill block, undergoing its ultimate dimensional sizing. Following this, the surging incandescent strand instantly blasts through multiple water cooling zones. This is a clash of ice and fire. It dictates its physical soul. The advanced controlled water cooling process. The extreme surface quenching instantly triggers a martensitic phase transformation, while the high-temperature austenite at the core undergoes further grain refinement. This groundbreaking technology empowers the wire rod with an extraordinary dual leap in both yield strength and elongation. Reaching a blistering speed of 100 meters per second, the incandescent strand surges into the laying head. Onto the Stelmor controlled cooling conveyor, where it spreads out into perfectly uniform, overlapping rings. Swept by the precise airflow of the underlying step-controlled fans, the steel releases its latent heat of phase transformation, completing the critical microstructural evolution into sorbite. The dark, tough coals are smoothly transferred to the PF. Advancing in a rhythmic procession, the coals enter the fully automated compacting and binding machine. Empowered by intelligent manufacturing, robotic arms apply immense tension to execute a rigorous four-strap compact binding, seamlessly synchronized with fully automatic inline weighing. Powered by cutting-edge equipment, we maximize your return on investment. Partner with SMG, and together, let's forge the steel backbone of the world. Choose SMG. Live up to your trust.